dream big and become even bigger. This could have been the slogan of those people who back in 1984 started the production of Bedeco cocoa in Zirc. A cocoa that became the taste of joyful childhood for an entire generation. However, political and economic changes reshaped the market and slowly making our cocoa products disappear from store shelves. But in 2014, our story took a turn. A new owner arrived at the company, bringing a completely fresh vision and new energy. As the cocoa market declined, sports and health opened the door to a next chapter. Cocoa was gradually replaced by dietary supplements and vitamins. In 2015, we launched our HN Labs division, offering contract manufacturing of food supplements for European partners. Slowly, the company began to grow again. We started producing for many brands and offering a wider range of products. And when powdered drinks were no longer enough for the market, we started producing capsules and tablets and drink concentrates and vitamin packs. That same year, we launched our own brand, Nutriversum, that in a few years became a leading name in the market. We opened retail stores, produced campaigns, and won international awards. Nutriversum became more than just a brand. It became our future, our belief, our passion. In 2019, we acquired the Shaker Sky plastic factory, whose shakers are now used by millions around the world to enjoy their favorite drinks. In 2020, by adopting the name of Corliv, we made our international ambitions clear. Between 2023 and 2025, we picked up speed. We acquired new brands, built a cosmetics factory, opened an international office, started producing gummy supplements, established a bottling factory, and entered the vending machine market. 40 years have passed, and our journey has taken us further than anyone could have ever imagined. Today, with nearly 300 colleagues, we produce 6 million products a year, ship to over 60 countries, and bring countless innovations to life every single day. All for one shared goal: to deliver the very best dietary supplements to the world. And from 2026, we will become truly united, as one team, under one name, building a shared future together. Nutriversum Group. Innovation for health.